Ford Fiesta 2013 and similar years. If you're having problems with the ignitions that you're trying to start and it says that the car is not on parking, normally we'll give you a warning over there, car not in parking, and then you can start the car. You try and it won't start. Pretty much you're gonna have to remove that, which is basically you open it and you pull on it and it falls down, right? And then you come over here right there, and let me see if I can point out that fuse right there, the one in the upper corner. You chances are you blew that fuse. A lot of you has many videos about it. Some of you don't have like the answer to it, but in this car in particular, I replaced that fuse and it worked. Now, the one thing I found out, if your Ford Fiesta is doing that, and this particular car was causing the car to blow that fuse, it's really weird. If I leave the AC on and I start it and I run it and the compressor kicked on at the same time that I start the car, it blows that fuse away. So just a suggestion, and this is just on this car, make sure your AC is on off position every time you start the car, and technically you should not have an issue. All right, thank you for watching. And just one more time, just gonna show you the fuse. It's the upper right corner, 15 amp. Not the light blue, but the dark blue, all the way over. Let me see if I can put my finger into it real quick. This one right here. This one right here. That one. All right, thank you guys.